Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so it's been quite a while since I posted a video, and for that I'm very sorry. I feel like at the change of any season, it's kind of just like a busy time and we're getting ready to go into summer. The past few weeks have been super busy. Jay and I were traveling and everything like that. I've gotten so behind. So I thought I would just film a video and share an updated kind of everyday makeup routine. Mostly the base that I use, the eyeshadow is always the same, or I won't wear any at all. So I thought I would just update you guys and talk about some new products that I've been using, things that I have been loving, and just kind of chat. But I wanted to talk really quickly about just what I have on my face, so that way you know. I went ahead and applied my lip balm. I use this La Mer lip balm all the time. I'm still washing my face with the Dr. Barbara Sturm Enzyme Cleanser. I love this so much. It's so great for travel because it just, it's like a powder, mix it with water, cleanse, everything like that. I want to get the foaming cleanser because I have been getting microneedling treatments and you're not supposed to exfoliate. So I bought an inexpensive cleanser, which is great for removing my makeup, but it's not great for cleansing my skin. So this is what I've been using. I would highly recommend this to anyone with oily skin, or if you're looking for an exfoliant. I use this morning and night, and I've been using it for several months, and I still have, I can see like in the light, you probably can't see, it's like down to here. So it lasts a long time. And then I apply the hyaluronic serum in the morning and at nighttime. I'm looking for something else, but I love this so much. It's stupid expensive. If I can find a smaller size than the normal size, I'll link it down below, but it's just amazing, and I have been trying to conserve it, so I'll mix it with a moisturizer or something like that, but it's just really good. So that's what I do in the morning. I just cleanse, apply the hyaluronic serum, and then like some lip balm, and then I go straight into my foundation routine. So a couple of things about my skin. I'm gonna leave some timestamps down below just because I'm talking a ton, but I had a microneedling treatment last Monday. It's now Friday of the following week. So my skin peeled, everything was great. It usually looks super good, which it does. However, it's that time hormonally, and I get a ton of breakouts down here, so I did that. I broke out right after my treatment, which really sucked because of that. But I love the microneedling. I'll link my video down below where I talk about it. My second treatment was even better than my first treatment, and it's amazing. So I just went back into using my retinol cream at night, so I have a little bit of peeling, but that's all. I'm still using the Chantecaille Just Skin. I'm not 100% sure. I know I've talked about this, but I don't know. This is a tinted moisturizer. I don't know if I have shown you how I apply it or talked about that. So usually I just use this, probably a little bit bigger than a pea, like a good pea size amount. And then I just use my fingers. So I'm gonna get my mirror. I'll just dot a little bit on and rub it in. This is the shade Vanilla, but it's light wearing, but it gives a good coverage. And I just focus it mainly in this area and my cheeks and my chin because I get red around my nose, most people do, and my chin. And I'm peeling, of course, when I'm trying to film this, but I still have a ton left. I just go in, I'll apply the majority of it right here and then just work it out to where around the outside of my face there's less product. So that's all. That's the tinted moisturizer. For me, I've never been a big tinted moisturizer fan because I found them greasy and they didn't cover, but this one is amazing. And like I said, I would highly recommend this for summer because, as I said, my skin has been really happy in the sun with that on. Usually my nose burns so bad, I just blister, and I have not been blistering. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow really quick and get that out of the way. I'm not gonna show that, or I'll just talk to you about what I do. I share this in like every video, but it's truthfully the easiest thing and I love it so much. So these Tom Ford cream shadows, I use Paradiso. It's a pink color, and I just apply it all over my lid. And then I have Opal, and I just take a tiny little bit and I pop it right in the center of my eyelid and just blend it out. And that just brings a little highlight to the center of my eyes, which I really, really love. Because I love the tinted moisturizer so much from Chantecaille, I went ahead and picked up, I ran out of concealer and my eyebrow pencil when we were in Miami, and so I just went to the counter and I got a concealer and I got some eyebrow products. So this is the Chantecaille Anti-Fatigue Corrector Pen, which I'm gonna be honest, I love the product, don't love the packaging. I'm not a fan of pens. If you are, this is a good one, but I don't love them. But I have to say, this is a really good concealer. I just wish it didn't come in this packaging. So I always put concealer in these lines because I despise them, honestly. And under my eyes, sometimes I'll do a little bit of my brow bone, just pat that out really quick. And then I just spot conceal any of my problem areas, which for me right now is all on my neck. Okay, so when I'm done, you can't really tell, but I have concealer all under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, these lines. This is all like highlighting, and then these are just like my problem areas that I'm trying to actually cover stuff. So I just use this foundation brush from Chanel to blend it all in. And I love that this concealer dries really well. It covers very nicely. So everything is covered, concealed. I have been using a little bit of my Laura Mercier powder, but I'm not gonna go and put that on right now because I don't have, everything is kind of dry, so I'm not gonna do that right this moment. I'm still using the Bare Minerals Warmth. It's like my favorite bronzer. So I just use this angled Chanel fluffy brush. I just contour my cheeks a little bit. I don't go like heavy on the contour during the daytime, just because I don't feel like I need to. I just like to just warm up my face a little bit from where I kind of made it all one color with the tinted moisturizer. I just love this warmth. I think it goes for so many different skin types and tones. It's just so natural. So that's it. All I do for bronzer. I'm still wearing the same blush. This one from NARS. I just take a little angled blush brush from MAC and I just pop it on my cheeks. I do like my upper cheeks. And then I take a little bit and put it on my eye socket just to tie everything in together. That's my favorite Rosie Huntington Whiteley beauty tip. So that is all for my face. So now I'm just gonna do my mascara and my eyebrows. So I'm still wearing the Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, apply my mascara, and then I'll be back and show you what I'm doing to my brows. Okay, so that's my mascara. I'm still using the Rodan & Fields Lash Boost. I love it so much, and that I can owe my lashes to that. So I don't have great brows. It looks like I have such a huge distance in between, which I guess I do, but I haven't been plucking them. I picked up the Chantecaille Waterproof Brow Definer in Light Taupe, and then of course I had my hair dyed very blonde. I had a lot of blonde put in my hair. So what I do for my brows is I always brush them up, and then I just try to fill in the spots that are more sparse. I try not to shape them too much. And then I also bought the Full Brow Perfecting Gel and Tint in the shade Dark from Chantecaille, and I love this brow gel so much. It has this tiny little applicator, and it's so great. So in the summer when I'm going to the pool, I'm just gonna use this. Like, I'm not even gonna fool with this, but like I said, since I'm filming today, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. But that's what I love. Like, so for days I'm going to the pool, I would just put on my tinted moisturizer, this, and some mascara. I might not even put on the mascara, and it's so easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. Stop talking so much. And I always like to start with this one because this one's shape is not as great as this one. So I just like to, and I also start at the arch. So I work on the outside and then I just kind of dot, dot, dot up here. So I just work on my arch a little bit, bring it down. I try not to even apply too much product at all. And I just work in here. sometimes I'll just take my finger and kind of smudge out this part right here because you don't want it to be too heavy. And I'll just brush everything up. And that's the brow. So I'm gonna do the same thing over here and try to get it as close as I can to the shape of this brow, but they're sisters, they're not twins, and they're never gonna be perfect. So I should spend more time on my brows, but I just like to get them as close as I can and not overdo it, because if you fool with it too much, it just ends up being a mess. So I just do like a few little swipes. That is it. Gonna go ahead and brush it up. I always like to comb through them just to help try to spread out the product, thin it out, and get my brows just how I want them. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead with the brow gel. Just like to wipe it off. And I just brush mine up. So I do this to kind of set my brows in place. Of course, my brows wanna grow really long in some areas, and then when I want them, I need to fill them in. They don't want to grow in that area, so I just like to try to brush them up so that way you can see all the little hairs, and that way they stay in place and they don't kind of go all different ways. And then for my lips, honestly, on the day-to-day, I usually wouldn't put on a lipstick. Probably just not throw anything on until I'm gonna like run in somewhere, but I love this one from MAC. This is Cream Cup. It was like my favorite lipstick from years ago. And now that YSL #1 is discontinued, I've been wearing this one a lot more. So it's perfect for summer. It's really pink, pretty. And then I like to put this one on top of it. This is a Buxom gloss. So these are like the plumping glosses in the shade Erin. And very pretty. I might even blot it, but that's about it. Some days I'll do a little winged liner, but on the day-to-day, I don't wear liner. I just kind of wear as little as possible. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and helpful. I should be coming at you very soon with a fashion video. I forgot one thing, my Erin perfume. So I like douse myself in this every day. I actually have 2 Erin perfumes, and I wear 2 every single day. So this one goes like all over, and then my other one goes just on my wrists and my neck. I'm kind of particular about that. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'll be back very soon with another fashion video. I know this was like very quick and kind of impromptu, and my skin is not looking the best right now, but I wanted to share like a little update and talk about some of those new products and share with you that I am still using, like the other things that I'm still using, and just kind of talk to you guys for a few minutes. So I will see you guys very soon, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye guys.